Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom derby hat or fascinator. First, you will need a fascinator or hat. You also need some fabric glue, floral wire cutters or scissors, some faux flowers. I got these from Hobby Lobby. Some glitter accessories, pom poms. These are optional. Some foil so you don't get glue everywhere. You're going to start by deciding where we want the flowers to go. So I always like to take the biggest flower that you have. Here I'm using the floral wire cutters just to snip that off. You can use scissors though. I like a little bit of stem, so there's area that you can put the glue on and then attach it to the hat. You want to decide which way you are going to wear your fascinator or hat. Here I just take some of the glue, I put it all the way down the stem, and then I just attach it to the hat, and you want to hold it there for a few seconds just to make sure the glue has adhered to your fascinator or hat. Next, you pick another color of flower. You can choose any colors you want. And this actually just popped off the stem, so I didn't have to cut it. What you want to do is just make sure you get enough glue on that green part of the flower or the bottom part so that it can adhere to your fascinator or hat. Again, you just want to hold it there, put it in a place that you like. You can decide your pattern or design. And now I'm just going in and adding some more flowers. You can do big, small. I add a few small ones as well and just place them wherever you like. After you have all the flowers on, I went in with some glitter accessories. You do not have to add these. I just like the sparkle and the color that they give. Again, you just put some glue on, find where you want them to go, make sure they are attached to the hat or fascinator. Next, I went in with pom poms. Again, you do not have to use pom poms. This is not the normal for derby, but I love pom poms for spring and summer. Feathers are big. You could put feathers on. You could actually add anything that you would like to your hat as long as it doesn't make it too heavy. I started gluing one at a time, but it took too long, so I just put some glue on the rim of the hat. Did a little bit at a time so it wouldn't dry too fast. And then I went around the rim of the entire outside of the fascinator. And there you have your own custom derby fascinator or hat for under $30. Absolutely easy, no sewing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have a wonderful time at the derby. Have a great one. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.